Hello YouTube, StatChan75 here with the box break unboxing. I got this from Steel City Collectibles. And let's open it up and see what we got inside here. Nicely packaged. Let's get our remote. A little bit of peanuts. Not much mess. Paperwork's in there. Very good. Awesome. Steel City Collectibles. Pretty good in my book. Let's break, I guess, one box for now at least. It's Marvel Flair 2019. I got these products at a show. It's from Upper Deck. And when I got them at the show, I really liked the stained glass cards that you can get. You can get a lot of other cool cards too, like artists' signatures and art prints. There's 6 cards per pack, 9 packs per box. So let's go through these. And the first box break that I broke was pretty fun. I like the product, so there's 3, 3, and 3, all 9 packs. So let's get into it. Wolverine on the cover of the packs. The art also was really nice in these cards. I was very pleased with it. They got numbered cards. Oh, it looks like we got a Juggernaut. So we got to start Voyager. I love it. A few of the sports card guys that do the breaks know nothing about comics, and they were reading the guys' names, and they'd just read them so funny, like not reading the first letter, like Karis instead of Icarus. Anyway, Shroud, Cannonball. Right off the bat, Totem Teams. And then we got that Juggy right there, the Flairium Juggernaut. That's cool. And this Totem Teams almost looks Totemic Teams. Almost looks like an art. Feels like it's drawn. Huh, pretty cool. So, really nice quality on these cards. I like them a lot. That's what the backs look like. I mean, I like cards and I'm a comic fan, so it's like a win-win for me. Especially if you get some really cool rare cards. Black Knight, Miss Marvel, the new Miss Marvel, Kamala Khan, Grandmaster, Nighthawk. A lot of these are duplicates. I don't think I have this one. Singularity Spider-Geddon. It's not like numbered or anything, but it's a pretty cool insert. And then we have Storm, Flairium Storm. That's cool. All right, 7 packs left. Eros, Master Mold, Starbrand. Not really sure who that character is. Red Hulk, Singularity Jubilee. Last Singularity I got was Spider-Man. And a Flairium of Sentry. So far, nothing really crazy, except for that one Totemic Teams card of the Captain. So let's see if we get anything else good in here. I really hope we get a nice stained glass card. Ulysses Kane, Goblin Knight, Bedlam. Oh, shoot. Who's that? Spider-Girl. And we get an antimatter of Maximus, another character I've never really heard of before. Okay, so he's Inhuman, I guess, and he's Black Bolt's brother. That's cool. Nice card. Cool insert. And then we got the Flarium of Angel. Not really a big fan of that art. Very kids-like, but nonetheless. Let's see here. I got 2 stained glass out of the last box that I got. So hopefully we get some in this. Looks like we got something here. Let's see what that is. Manifold. That's what it was. The guy was opening them and he goes, Ask Master. He didn't see the T for Taskmaster. It's like, dude, that's the Taskmaster. Darkhawk. Nebula. It's a different looking Nebula than the Guardians of the Galaxy movies. Totemic Team, speaking of Guardians of the Galaxy, Gamora. It's kind of like a die cut card. That's cool. And then we get Wolvie, a Flarium, a Wolverine. That's some pretty cool artwork. Not bad. Oh, and the patch cards are really cool too. There's usually 1 hit per box. That's usually a patch card. Those are awesome. Hopefully we get a good one. Angela, formerly from Spawn, transferred over to the Marvel Universe. Regent, another new character I'm not familiar with. Hazmat, don't really know him either. Night Mask, a lot of new characters in this pack. So we get a Power Blast of Ahab, another character I've never heard of. This is kind of random. Wow. Alright, let's put him off to the side. Then we got a I Am Groot. We got a Flarium card of Groot. That's pretty cool. And now we got down to 3 packs. Hopefully our hit is in one of these 3 packs. When I say hit, I mean the rare card of the box. Oh, hopefully that's a stained glass, maybe? Maybe not. It's a thick one. Oh, that's probably the hit. So we got Star-Lord, Silver Sable. Oh, cool. It's an Avengers one. Nice. 1978. Oh, nice. It's got Vision on it. It's a fabric Pieces of Flair. That's really cool. It's like a remake of the comic cover in fabric form. Big fan of that. I like those. And then we got a Flarium of Drax. Another Guardians of the Galaxy. The last Flarium was Groot. Yeah, we got Star-Lord in there too. Very cool. So we got our hit. That was our hit of the box. Hopefully these packs have 2 stained glass in them. I think they did. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. Maybe we're going to get gypped to stained glass in this box. Got the Collector. Got Quasar. Got Yondu. Got Legion. Oh, that's cool. Copper Age Through the Ages of Venom, and that's McFarlane's Venom. Nice. First appearance of Venom right there. Amazing Spider-Man 300. Very, very cool. I like that card. Let's be nice with that one. It's kind of like the secondary hit. Ooh, and a really cool Flarium of Psylocke. Betsy Braddock. Another cool card. Alright, we're down to our last card here. Last pack, I mean. Oh, I guess we got robbed of the stained glass card. We didn't get one of those. Devil Dinosaur. Metal Head, another new character never heard of. Vulcan, another character never heard of. Captain Universe, I do know who that is from the Micronauts. What is this? I'm trying to read that. Lucky. Honey Badger. It's 46 of 68 or something like that. It's kind of hard to read through the camera. I'm reading it through the camera, guys, so I'm making sure it's in frame. Looks like it's 40 of 88. Yeah, it's number 40 of 88. And it says Honey Badger. Lucky Eights. Honey Badger. Okay, that's different. And then the Flareum of Moonstar. I think it's Danny Moonstar. That wraps up the video. That is the final hit. Our big pieces here, I guess, being the Honey Badger, the Copper Age Venom, and then the pieces of Flair. That's cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hey, give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you like the product. And if you do subscribe, hit the bell so you get the notifications of all my new videos. Thanks guys. Have a good evening.